YouTubers. It's Desi Auto Tech. And the reason for my video today is we have a 2003 Nissan Altima here, and we want to do an engine swap on it. So if you guys want to know the history on the reason why we want to do an engine swap on this video, Brian 916, he diagnosed it. I'll put a link in the description box to the video so you guys can check it out if you really want to know. I have most of the engine torn down already, ready to go to be pulled out of the vehicle so that we can get everything prepped and ready to go. So I want to show you guys what we do here at the shop, where we what we do to get an engine ready and prepped outside of it, and what we do to put it back in so we can have a nice clean engine bay for the customer and a well-running low mileage engine reinstalled into the vehicle. So let me show you what we have here so far. Right, so you see I have the wiring harnessed off. We took off the intake manifold and got all that off. And I went under and took out the torque converter bolts. We got most of the bell housing bolts out. And as you can see, I have it chained up. And now all I have to do is remove the motor mount bolts, and then we can pull this thing out. So we're gonna hit this upper motor mount off right now. Hey Brian, can you give me a hand real quick?
What's up?
I need you to hold this hood up a bit and kind of hold this AC compressor out the way so I can finish jacking this motor out.
All right.
So now we got the motor out, and now we can take a look in the engine bay and show you some things that we do here at the shop. We have here, this power steering pump is, see it's dirty, oily, and we have some, we have the frame down here, has some oil and CV axle in the back. Power steering, see power steering is caked up with oil. The engine bay pretty much is a oily, dirty mess. So what we like to do is we come through with our pressure washer and we kind of clean out the engine bay. So when we drop the new engine in there, everything will be nice and clean, degreased, and ready for installation. So now that we have the motor out, we want to change over some of the parts that need to go over to the new motor. Also, we want to reseal the timing cover. For the new motor, the timing cover to leak, and so we'll do that outside. Also, we want to reseal the oil pan, put in a new rear main seal, some new spark plugs, a new water pump, new intake manifold gasket, and any other various things that I might find as I'm going through looking at the parts we have that we can and can't reuse. Stay tuned for the next video. I'll be showing it on camera. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. It's Des the Auto Tech, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.